name is Daniel Escamilla. I'm with Sabatini Plumbing. This is your main water valve for the building. There it is, water shut off to the building. And then your shut off valves for hot and cold. This would be a typical cold side, quarter turn to the right.
Simply remove the access panel, slide the filter out. These are washable filters.
Which are resettable here. If they trip, they just trip half, and then it's a typical reset on, off, and if the circuit's good, they'll just come back online.
This is one of the filters to clean, and when you see red, that's completely clogged. Only they need to flush and clean and put it back right there. Easy.